to show you the demo of this product. It's a Derma roller with the 540 needles or pins. I brought it from Amazon, and this came in this cover, and mostly people use it on their head, and some girls or ladies use it on their skin too. And how to use it, I'm showing you a demo on my head like this. I bought it from Amazon. If you like and want to buy, you can also shop now from Amazon. Yeah, you can see this is the way to use it. And as people say, the purpose of this, that when they have falling hair or hair fall, and then they use it to give a temporary puncture on their skin surface, so the more and more blood flow their brain send to that skin area to repair, and then automatically their hair will regrow, or then their hair roots will get more blood flow and more growing hormones, whatever that will provide. Your people's blood will provide to that area. Yeah, this is the way people use. You can see I'm showing you the demo. Yeah, it's a 540 needles Derma roller. Some have 240 also, but it's a good product. And now after using it, you can safely put in the cover and then place. And mostly people use it for like in a week 4 to 5 times, or 3 to 4 times maximum, or in between 3 to 5 times. It depends on person to person.